Inspired by Ferdinand Berthoud's profoundly historic marine clock 6, the new Chronomètre FB-2-1 is a timepiece with an elegantly minimalist design equipped with an exceptional mechanism that further raises the bar in mechanical precision. It's a timepiece worthy to stand alongside Berthoud's other brilliant and celebrated work. A limited edition model that features a groundbreaking fusée-in-chain transmission with a 1-second remontoir mechanism. The FB-RE is available in limited and numbered editions, and we have the very last one of only 5 pieces ever produced in rose gold in white enamel in store. Stay with us and prepare to be amazed as we experience and discover what can arguably be one of the most technically superior watches in the market today. Ferdinand Berthoud may not be a household name today, but he stands as one of the most prominent clockmakers of his era, with his chronometers playing a crucial role in numerous key maritime expeditions in the late 1700s to the early 19th century. Berthoud's well-documented and no doubt celebrated work on clocks, marine chronometers, and pocket watches would go on to become among the most revered timekeeping specimens in the history of horology. And to mark the 205th anniversary of his title of clockmaker and mechanic by appointment to the French King and Navy, a new collection is unveiled called the Chronomètre FB-2-1, inspired by one of Berthoud's most significant creations, the marine clock number 6. A chronometer that would, in the early 18th century, effectively put France at a vast advantage over England, its fiercest competitor in the conquest of oceans and lands. At the time, the most brilliant clockmakers worked tirelessly to develop a reliable and accurate measuring instrument that can withstand the harsh elements, and Berthoud rose to that challenge with the creation of the marine clocks number 6 and 8. Staying true to the bold aesthetics of the marine clock number 6, the new Chronomètre FB-2-1 features many of the historic timepiece's distinguished features, but reimagined in a contemporary way. Fitted along its middle case is a large panoramic window, as its round-shaped case frames a grand feu enamel dial that boasts a complex 2-tiered construction. The design of the 18K gold case takes cues from the modular construction of marine clocks, sealed effectively so that the piece is water-resistant up to 30 meters. This was made possible by lugs strongly secured to the case by stylized bolts, which also serves an ergonomic purpose. In spite the watch's rather robust 44mm case, the Chronomètre FB-2-1 looks great on both big and small wrists. Aptly sized at 44mm diameter and 14mm width, the round case, while seemingly minimalist, makes quite a visual peripheral impact with its curved bezel and domed chevet glare-proof sapphire crystal. So extraordinary is its movement, which definitely warrants its own discussion later, that the case is designed so that it is always in full view of the wearer, from the oversized panoramic window at 10 o'clock along the case middle to reveal the movement's fusée-in-chain pillar-type architecture to its sapphire crystal case back that gives one an intimate look into the movement's inner workings, as well as its impeccable finishes. Following the design of the marine clock number 6, the watch features a 2-tiered dial that serves two main purposes: to vastly improve legibility and to provide a more dramatic visual, which in the case of the Chronomètre FB-2-1 is further amplified by its use of a highly complex artistic technique known as grand feu enameling. Executed in grand feu enamel are the watch's graduated scale, medallion, as well as its inscriptions, that is, its Roman numeral hours and Arabic numeral minutes, and Chronomètre Val de Travers Suisse inscription. Gliding gracefully across the dial are dagger-type 18K gold hour and minute hands with a hollowed-out design reminiscent of those of the Chronomètre FB-1, and the fine titanium seconds hand that weighs a scant 0.01 grams, the lightness of which unburdens the remontoir. At the heart of this minimalistic timepiece is an exceptional COSC-certified movement that's already being heralded as a symbol of excellence and chronometric precision. The caliber FB-RE.FC features a highly complex fusée-in-chain transmission, which is rarely seen these days, and a remontoir d'égalité, or simply a remontoir. The fusée-in-chain transmission essentially ensures constant force for the escapement, like a variable automatic reduction gearbox, if you will. And the distinguishing factor of the iteration fitted into the FB-RE.FC caliber is that its fusée is reversed and, along with the barrel, suspended so that the mechanism is held only on one side, on the main plate. This is significant because it allows for a smaller sized movement, as this construction saves a few precious millimeters. The fusée equalizes the torque provided by the barrel to supply a constant energy to the gear train. What's more, this intricate assembly is connected to the central seconds hand, enabling the display of deadbeat seconds, just like the marine chronometers 18th century seafarers depended on in their voyages. In addition to the constant force mechanism, the movement also features what is touted as one of the most complex torque regulation systems in watchmaking history, a 1-second remontoir, which can be appreciated in its full glory from the watch's sapphire crystal caseback. The 1-second remontoir complements the action of the fusée-in-chain transmission by acting on another point. Ferdinand Berthoud's iteration of the remontoir is also more energy efficient, as it's installed where the torque is lowest, and it's divested of unnecessary weight because of its ruby cam and lightweight seconds hand. Not leaving any stone unturned to achieve maximum precision, the Chronomètre FB-2-RE is equipped with a stop seconds device, which brings the balance to a halt once the crown is pulled out. The mechanical triumphs of the movement, notwithstanding the finishing applied to it, is just as remarkable. The movement features a myriad of finishing techniques, including frosting, mirror polishing, hand chamfering, and manual graining, skillfully applied to achieve an appearance on par with its technical prowess. Complementing this piece is a hand-sewn leather strap and matched with a pin buckle. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have one of these exceptional limited edition Ferdinand Berthoud Chronometre FB-2-RE in our boutique. We are also the official and only authorized retailer for the watch brand in Switzerland. If you haven't already, visit us at any of our 3 locations to discover the timepiece. Alternatively, you can also shop at our online store and take advantage of our flash delivery service. Watches purchased from Les Ambassadeurs website can be delivered within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, you heard that right, in just 3 hours. So, if you need a watch in a hurry, we'll be at your door in a flash. Granted that this piece is inspired and patterned after a historic timekeeping tool, do you think that the Chronomètre FB-2-RE lives up to its expectations? We'd love to hear your thoughts and would likewise be more than happy to answer any inquiries you might have. Feel free to leave your comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel. Click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.